Hello and welcome back to the video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make vanilla cupcakes with some chocolate frosting. First up, we're going to weigh out 184 grams of egg whites. Any liquid egg white that you want to choose will be fine. So 184 grams of that. Next up, what we'll want to do is you'll want canned pumpkin, and you want to make sure that you're using the 100% pumpkin, not the pumpkin pie mix. This is only going to have 40 calories per serving. We're going to put 120 grams of pumpkin in this. There you go, 120 grams. Next up, we're going to use a coconut flour. And we're going to use 1 serving. And we're going to put 14 grams in this. It's only going to be 60 calories. Then we're going to add 12 grams of a stevia or a Splenda, whatever you want to use, a sugar alternative. And we're going to add 12 grams of your stevia or Splenda. Then I'm going to be using a vanilla butter cake. If you can't find vanilla butter cake or something like that, you could just use any kind of protein that's a vanilla. So a vanilla protein, this one has 110 calories per scoop, 29.3 grams is 1 scoop, 25 grams of protein in this. We'll add 1 scoop of protein. And then last up, baking soda. Use 1/4 of a teaspoon. There you go. We'll mix this together. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And you're going to let it bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. Check it at about 10 minutes, see how it's doing. I like mine done a little bit more well done, so it might only take you 15 minutes, you know, depending on your oven too. So I'd say check it at 10. Put your toothpick in it, see if it comes out clean. If you want it a little bit more well done until it's golden brown on top. But about 20 minutes does well in my oven. But I would check it 10-15 minutes, see how it's doing. And this is going to make about 12 cupcakes. And I put the little cupcake things in there, but that's optional. You don't have to do that. So you can use the cupcake liners if you want or not, but that's all optional. Spray it with the non-stick spray. Again, make sure that you're not going crazy with it. It still has some calories in it. Just little light sprays in each one. And then pour in about half in each one. You put half in it, like I said, it should make about 12 cupcakes. And it's gonna expand when it starts baking. And if you want, you can always use a mini muffin tray too. You can make like 24 small mini muffins. Your preference. And you could also put this in a 13 by 9 and make yourself a cake. It'll be the same principles. You see there, it goes right to about 12. Get a spoon to take the rest of this stuff out. But it filled up 12 of them. And I'll get a spoon and put the rest in. Some of them are a little bit lighter. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in the oven. The oven's preheated at 350. I'm gonna bake it for about 20 minutes. Check it at about 10, and I'll come back and show you how to make the frosting. There you go, so 12 just came out. 20 minutes at 350 degrees. Did perfectly. And next up, show you how to make some protein frosting. I'm going to use chocolate fudge, rule 1. And I'm going to do 1 scoop in a bowl. And this one has 130 calories, 24 grams of protein, and it's a chocolate fudge. I'm going to do 1 scoop, and then I'm just using vanilla almond milk, 30 calories per cup, and you're just going to put it in very, very slowly, mix it until you get a frosting base. So don't over pour the liquid or it'll become too runny. And if it does become too runny, I guess you just add a little bit more protein and then start over. But just add in a little bit at a time, mix it together. And this is just pure protein, so it's just going to be adding a lot more protein to your cupcakes. And you can use any flavor that you want. I'm using a chocolate to make chocolate vanilla cupcakes, but you could use any kind of flavor that you want. And you see it comes out like a frosting. And then you'll just add these to your cupcakes. Put on as much frosting as you like. One scoop should cover all your cupcakes pretty fairly well. So if you made the whole thing exactly like I made it, this whole thing would turn out to 466 calories, 24.4 grams of carbs, 6.4 grams of fat, 73.8 grams of protein, so tons of protein in this. And if you didn't want to add frosting, you just want the vanilla cupcakes, minus 160, it'd only be 306 calories for 12 cupcakes, but still for 12 cupcakes, 466 calories with the frosting, tons of protein, definitely easy to make, definitely delicious. So again, thank you guys for watching my videos. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button to be notified of any new videos that come out, and you guys have a great day.